Our next step is going to be heating up the cream. I've already put half a cup of the dark brown sugar in, and now I'm going to be adding a cup and a half of the cream. Now, since I already measured out half a cup for the egg mixture, I can just pour the rest of it straight from the carton. Now we're going to want the stove to be on a medium flame. You don't want it to heat up the cream too quickly, nor do you want it to be really slowly either. We're going to be stirring almost constantly while this heats up. You want to make sure that the sugar melts into the cream and that you don't have any lumps. The cream is going to turn a darker color as the sugar melts because it's the dark brown sugar. Let's let it sit for a minute or so. And when the cream is hot enough, you're going to start seeing little bubbles around the edge. It won't take very long. You really have to keep your eye on the cream because you don't want it to boil, you don't want it to get too hot, you just want it to start getting little bubbles around the edge. So now you can see the cream is a little bit darker, a nice almost caramel color, and we've got some little bubbles along the edge of the pan. That's all we want, just little bubbles along the edge of the pan, and then we're going to turn the heat off. And if this is an electric stove, then you need to remove it from the burner. If it's a gas range, then you can leave it where it is because once the heat is off, it's off.